Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Marvel Spider-Man 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable fall damage within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Spider-Man 2 game on your device and you can continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are playing your game, depending upon your difficulty level, if you have chosen lower difficulty, then your character is likely to not receive any fall damage. But if you choose the higher difficulty settings, then you might receive some fall damage while jumping from great heights. If you wish to change this setting, then simply pause your game, and now you will need to go into settings. From here, go into game settings, and now scroll down until you see the fall damage section. You can modify this to turn it on or off, and if it is set to on, your character will now start to receive fall damage while falling from great heights. And you can change this setting at any point of time by going back into the game settings and switching the toggle. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable fall damage on the Marvel Spider-Man 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.